Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. So I learned a little trick a long time ago that if you want to take a good dish and make it great, use freshly ground pepper. I have found recently that using this Viva Doria rainbow peppercorn blend has really taken that to even the next level. So this pepper is amazing. This is a blend of 4 different peppercorns. It is the black, white, green, and pink peppercorns. And this is a beautiful blend because they all have a little bit different flavor. And so it just adds like layers of complexity to your dishes. So these are easy to use. You just pop them into your household pepper grinder. And as soon as you start grinding them, you are met with that beautiful aroma. It is a strong, pungent peppercorn aroma, which is what you want. And the flavor is awesome. So you get that little bit of kick and a little bit of heat that you're looking for from the pepper. It is bright and bold and even a little bit fruity. It's got a little bit of grassy flavor to it. It's just awesome. So I really love these peppercorns. So not only are you enhancing the aroma and the flavor of your food, but you're also adding to the beauty because look at how gorgeous these peppercorns are. They look beautiful, and when you have that little sprinkling of all different colors, it's just really pretty as well. I am super happy with these Viva Doria rainbow peppercorns, and I'm really excited to try all of the different things on Viva Doria's storefront. They have tons of incredible pantry items to choose from. So if you're looking for a high quality peppercorn blend to really enhance the flavor of all of your dishes, definitely check out these rainbow peppercorns. You will not be disappointed, and that is my point of view.